Hello, guys. Today I will be answering the question of those who used to message me in my DM on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn. I respond to as many as possible. Then sometimes, please forgive me, sometimes I can't respond to everybody because I'm not typically a chatting person or WhatsApp person. Yes, if I come to WhatsApp, I just want to post status and then run away to do other activities, fulfill clients' deadlines and stuff like that. I do to answer every single question I get. Then some questions that people ask me. When you ask me a question that I think I've made a video on, I'll just send you the link to the video. Then these are the class of people I want to address in this video, specifically those who would message me and say, I have not been able to get a work. Some of them would even proceed to say, I have watched your video on YouTube and I still don't get work on Upwork. I feel empathetic about your situation, but my next question is always, did you implement the things you learned on my YouTube channel? And most times they tell me yes. And if it's a day I'm free, I'll tell you something like, send me your Upwork link. If I check your Upwork link, at one glance, I can tell if you've actually truly been following this YouTube channel and learning, then you are implementing it. Or you just watched one or two videos and asked me why you are not getting job on Upwork. One of the first things I observe is that most of these persons don't have anything that stands them out from other freelancers. For example, I talk about having a video introduction on your Upwork profile. If you message me that you did not get job on Upwork and I check your Upwork profile and I cannot see a video introduction, it shows that maybe you just watched one video, you just watched two videos and you think, oh, you should get a job. You won't get a job by watching just one or two videos. You won't. I created a playlist for Upwork videos. Since I'm creating videos about other things, there are other things I want to teach. So I'm gradually oozing into those things. For example, one of those is YouTube. It's also another way to make money. The moment I made my first dollar from YouTube, I feel, oh, this is a legitimate way to make money. And I'm beginning to teach it and encourage you guys to also tread the same paths so that you have multiple stream of income and you're not limited to just Upwork, Fiverr, and all that. That doesn't mean you should not do Upwork because Upwork is still my major source of income as I speak. When I check your profile description and I see that your profile description is still focused on you and your experience, and you are not addressing the client's need, you are not focused on the client's need, I definitely know that it's either you've not watched enough video on this channel. Then there are some kind of questions that people ask me. My process is this. I don't know many people here in person. I suggested an hangout last year. I did not get the expected turnout. If you think we should have a freelance hangout, probably in Ikeja or on the island, you can write that in the comment section so we'll be able to connect better. The best process for reaching out to me is, number one, I want to be sure that what you want to ask me is not something that has been addressed in my YouTube videos. You can just skim through the YouTube homepage, and if you don't see it, I understand there are things I have addressed that you may not find it easy to see. Number two, just go to any random video of mine that is about Upwork and ask your question there. I am not a big YouTuber, so I respond to every comment on my YouTube. If you send me a WhatsApp message, I may not see it for the next 2 weeks, and you would get offended that he doesn't respond to his messages. I may not see it because I get a lot of WhatsApp messages. I'm in a lot of groups since my campus days, and they just flush down messages. I tell everybody that is important to me not to send important messages to me through WhatsApp, and they know. YouTube comment is a better way to reach me. If you comment something on YouTube comment and I feel like it is private, or you're asking a question that I feel answering it on YouTube can get me into trouble with YouTube or with Upwork or with any other platform, I will ask you a question. Are you on the WhatsApp group? If you tell me you are not on the WhatsApp group, I'm cut aback. I may not be able to help you, or I may tell you to message me on Twitter within a specific period. Maybe I can tell you, message me on Twitter today. So for that day, I don't check my Twitter DM every day. For that day, I will be checking my Twitter DM looking out for your message. Then after that day, I can't guarantee I will check my Twitter DM again, so I can respond to you. Then my email is right in the about section of this YouTube channel, so you can contact me via email if it's something that serious, maybe like you want to you have a deal for me or something. That's another thing I feel I should address. So if you comment and then you don't get a response, or no, you would surely even get a response, then people ask, how do you join my WhatsApp group, the Upwork support, the Upwork community group, the Upwork update group, and all that? I deliberately don't post the link to the group on this channel or flood the link to the group on this channel. I want only people who are serious, people who have shown themselves serious about learning how to make money on Upwork. Some people just want to watch one video on YouTube, then they come to the WhatsApp group and expect you won't get value if you are not watching the YouTube videos. YouTube is where the lecture takes place. The WhatsApp community is just for you to bond, and you can ask deeper questions than you can on YouTube. Then on with the WhatsApp community, it's not just me that would respond to your messages. There are other top-rated, expert-vetted, high-earning freelancers on the group that can actually answer your questions, that you can bond with, relate with, and you will be able to get job. People outsource job to people. I actually encourage that a lot on the WhatsApp group. I feel like if you are a member of this community, especially for those who want to learn Upwork, if you are not interested in learning Upwork, don't join the Upwork community, because it's strictly for those who want to learn Upwork from. Maybe I would create another one for those who want to learn from my little journey on YouTube to create their own YouTube account. If you are in that category, you can let me know in the comment section. I hope I've addressed the things I need to address. If there's any stone I still have unturned, please let me know in the comment section. I would see you in the next video. Please don't forget to show love, just like, comment. I would really appreciate that. I hope you got to understand me better from watching this video. I appreciate you and I love you. Bye-bye.